Just click Edit, then Preferences at the bottom. A new tab will appear, and then double-click the SQL editor. Scroll at the bottom part, then uncheck the Save Updates, which rejects updates and deletes. Press OK, then execute again. There is still an error. Go to Query, then click the Reconnect to Server. Now execute it again. There, you have it. There's no error. You can now see the green check here. Let's take a look at the table again. There, you will see that there is an update on the price. The name food is a database. It is where the table fruits is located. We can see here that the database subject is being bold. If I remove the food, then execute it, there will be an error. Table subject.fruits doesn't exist. It is because we are referring to the database subject and not the food anymore. Just type use and then the name of the database that you are going to use. For example, food. You will see the syntax here at the left corner. Now execute the instruction. Now we switch the one being bold at the database food, and the database subject is no longer being bold. Now we can create any instruction under the database food without putting the name of the database before the table with a period. Execute the instruction. Now it works because it is on the right database. Now I want to update my table Carinderia. Here is my table. Now I want to change the price of the buttered chicken into 180 instead. Go to the left side, then click the tool icon beside Carinderia. Click the arrow on the top right corner to unhide the column. Then we have to replace all those spaces with underscore. Just click apply. We can see here the code that we can use if we have to change the column or the attributes. Then finish. So what are the difference between these execute buttons? So here, we can execute the selected portion of the script or everything. So if there is no selection. So it only means that if I'm going to select this portion and click this execute button, it will only execute these two. But I can also execute all of these lines using this execute button. While this icon only executes the statement under the keyboard cursor. So it means that if I put my cursor here in this line, in the second line, and then click here, it will only execute the second line. So I should only use this icon if I want to execute all of the lines. What if you want to save all of the codes and instructions that you have putted in the panel? Click File, the Save Script. Put your file name, save.